my channel is Kharyzma for you, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I am so excited. I have a sneaker slash slides haul. I had to wait to do this video because I knew I had some things coming in, and most of them came in, but then I was waiting on this one package, and I'm like, yesterday I did a whole batch of content, and I'm like, should I just do this? But I'm glad I waited. Today is Monday, May 1st, yay! And it's my birthday month, and my birthday is May 18th. So let's get into it. These are some PR packages that were sent to me, and then some that I purchased. So as I open them up individually, I'll let you know which one are the PR packages and which ones are the ones that I purchased. And I got some good deals on the ones that I purchased, so let's get into it. Okay, first and foremost, we have these slides. These slides I got from Shein. And you're gonna see these in my Shein swimsuit haul, and I will link it in the cards or put it in the description. I love these because these are like fabric material, and they're just so cute. They're white, they're fresh, they're cute for the summer. I saw them on Instagram, and instantly I was like, I gotta add it to my Shein cart. Hopefully, if Shein is watching, they will sponsor my videos because I so want to work with them. But yeah, as you can see, it's very soft. The under is like rubber soles. And I'll see if I can insert a clip of me wearing them. Right now, I'm not trying these on. This is just an unboxing, so you can see some of the sneakers and slides that I got. And it just has these two straps here, and they're just so comfortable, cute for the summer. And then they have like these little balls all around. But yeah, these are so comfortable and cute for the summer. They're great for lounging, and I think originally it says bedroom slippers, so you can wear them as slippers around your house or just to lounge around the house, or if you're on vacation, maybe lounging by the pool. But I don't recommend them for swimming, like when you get out of the pool and you need some pool slides. No, because these are fabric and they will get mushy and stuff like that. But for show, for pictures, for lounging, for around the house, these are awesome. I love them, and I'm so happy I got them. Okay, since I have two pairs of slides, I'm gonna do the slides first, and then I'll do the sneakers last. So these are some slides that this is a PR package from a company called Adidas Shoe Studio. And I also have some sneakers from them, and I'll give you the backstory when I get to the sneakers. But long story short, I bought some sneakers from them. I created content for them because I loved the sneakers so much, and they decided to send me a free gift. So thank you so much, Adidas Shoe Studio. They sent me these slides, so I'm not gonna have to buy anything for the summer. These are yellow slides, and this is what they're looking like. They have the buckle, white buckle, and you can adjust it, and it's just plastic, and it's yellow. Now they sent a size 8. That's a little too big for me. For slides, I wear like a 7.5. Yeah, but I wear anywhere from a 7 to a size 8, but I don't wear 8 in slides and sandals like that. But these are cute, and I don't have anything yellow in my wardrobe, so I cannot wait to style these. Definitely stay tuned for a video that I will do styling these slides. But thank you so much, Adidas Shoe Studio. So next up are my sneakers. Now, these are Adidas, and I got these from Amazon, you guys. I had seen these on Amazon, and I decided to put them in my shopping cart, and then later on, I looked, and they were on sale. Now, I think I only paid $35 for these, so let me show you them. Super, super cute. They're leopard print, black and white. They have the 3 stripes here, and these are the soles, and they have black laces. Now with the tongue, it's not a tongue that's movable. It's like it stays in place. And when I looked at the reviews were saying that it's hard to get on. They are kind of, sort of, but you just have to know the sneaker. you will have to pull it from the back, and I'm gonna do a separate video on these sneakers, but this is part of my shoe haul. These are so cool. You guys know I love funky and eclectic things, so I was like, this is right up my alley. They do have different colors. I'm gonna leave the link to Amazon because I have an Amazon store and I have an affiliate link that I can share with you guys, and I'll get a small commission if you use that link, which I really and gladly appreciate. I got these in a size 7 because Adidas run kind of big. So, but size 7 is my size, and anywhere from a 7 to an 8, but in sneakers 7 to 7.5 depending on how they're running. But these are size 7 and they fit perfectly. I think they're good for running, they're great for dance, they're great for any type of physical activity. And this is like material. I love these. I might go back and get white, but when I looked on Amazon, all the colors that they have are not the same price. Like, and I think it goes by size too. Like if the sizes are smaller, then they might be cheaper. So I would definitely say just check to see, but I only paid $35 for these. And these are so cute, guys. I love these sneakers. I will leave the exact name of it. Let me see. It says Swift Run. Yeah, Adidas Swift Run. That's all I know. It's right there. And yes, guys, I love these. So next up in my haul are these shoes from Atlanta Shoe Studio. So that's the one where I showed you the yellow slides. These shoes are a dream come true. Just look at them. And they match what I have on too. You guys know I love pink, so anytime it's pink, if it's pink, I'm going to buy it. Look at these. They have the Versace style fabric on both sides and then a little bit on the tongue of the sneaker. So fashionable, so stylish, and white laces. I think this is, sorry, this is like the tongue, right? And then in the back, it's like a faux suede. I don't believe this is real suede. In pink, the faux suede here. And then the soles are this zigzag, spiky type. Like this is just, when I saw these, I saw them on Instagram, but from another account. And then I just started to do research, and then I found the Atlanta Shoe Studio. And I was like, I have to get these. So I got them. And these are a 7.5 and they fit perfectly. These are super duper cute. I may do a separate video on these, I'm not sure. A try on, but look out for my try on haul, because this is just the unboxing so I can show you. Oh my gosh, thumbnail. Oh my gosh, love them. These shoes right here, these sneakers right here are the ones that I have been waiting for. This company reached out to me and they saw my YouTube channel and they're like, you will be the perfect person to promote these shoes because they are very eclectic, very stylish, very trendy, very fashion forward. And you guys know me. I'm not afraid to wear anything for the most part, within reason. So I'm so excited. I'm not even going to tell you anything about them. I'm just going to open them up right now. I'm going to do a separate unboxing or a separate video on this, but I'm just hoping that they're everything that I saw. But I just want you to see my first reaction. So first and foremost, this is from a company called Xheyday. So this is it right here. This is the box. I like the packaging. It's like a very nice, soft, brown box. And it says Xheyday. Now they did tell me to choose the colors that I like. So I chose pink and purple. And they suggested one. I'm not going to tell you which one, just so you can be surprised when you see it. Okay. Let's see. Because these sneakers, when I saw them, I was just like, oh. So this is the packaging. I know it's suspenseful, right? The packaging just says Xheyday, Xheyday, Xheyday all over it. Okay, I want you to see me open it. So I just, oh my gosh, you see the color. Okay, these are definitely different. These are so cute. They were definitely right. Look at these. OMG. I was not expecting them to be this big. These are some chunky sneakers, and then they have the wave. So let's talk about it. The sneakers are canvas, and it has a heart right here in pink. The laces are white, and this is a purple color, like a light purple. And the soles are like wavy, white, big, chunky, white and gray. And then these are the soles underneath. I did not expect this. And then in the back, it has that hook to help you put it on. The laces are so thick. I hope I got the right size. I told them a 7 because they were European sizes. So I don't know how they're running. I hope that they fit. They look like they'll fit. This is not the right foot though. Hopefully, let me try it. No, this is for this foot. Yeah, this is the right foot. Hopefully, let me try and see. Let me just do this on camera. And they have insoles in them, so I'm guessing the insoles are really, really thick. Wow. These insoles are thick. So I guess if they don't fit, I can take the insoles out and they will fit, and then probably put some insoles that are not so thick. Let me try them on. I am so relieved they do fit. That's why I'm like, in sneakers, I cannot get a big size. Like, I can't get 8 in certain sneakers because they will not fit. Let me show you. These are super cute. They're gonna give me extra height and everything. So I'm gonna do a separate video on these guys. This was just an unboxing. As you can see, I'm super happy. So thank you, Xheyday. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. These are super, super cute, and they have different colors. I will do a separate video on this to try them on. Oh, bonus to the video, because I knew that these were gonna be purple. And I just put up a PR unboxing, and I had Halara. You guys know I'm an ambassador for Halara. They sent me some free items, and that's separate from when they pay me to promote. Like, I'm also an ambassador, which is separate from when I do videos for them. But ambassadors promote on TikTok and Instagram. Because I promote so much on Instagram, sometimes they'll send me free stuff. So they sent me free stuff, and I'll attach the PR unboxing of that. But let me show you the dress that I thought would go perfect with this. Oh, guys, I'm excited. Okay, because I almost forgot. I had put it aside to show you because I didn't realize it till I was like, wait a minute, the purple dress from Halara is gonna go with this. Like, oh my gosh, I don't have that many purple outfits. So look, this is a purple tennis dress. And again, watch it in my PR unboxing. If it's not up already, it will be up. Check the description or the video cards. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is perfect because this is sporty and this is sporty. Summertime is gonna be lit. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful, guys. I could not fake this even if I tried. So as you can see, I'm just speechless. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kharyzma for You Style, because I do fashion reels. I show my pictures of outfits that I wear, and I'm going to be adding some new content on my Instagram. My Instagram is slowly but surely growing, but I would really appreciate if you'd follow me on there and provide some more support. Definitely give this video a like, guys, because I'm trying to get to 10K. We're on the way to 10K, and we're almost there, and I thank you all for your support. So if you're not a subscriber, I don't know what you're doing, because you're going to miss these videos. I have some hauls coming for you guys, so you don't want to miss out. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can receive all of my uploads. We got some clothing hauls, all types of hauls, all types of stuff. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, don't forget to check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, for poppin' lip gloss, as well as my Etsy shop for hair accessories, custom made, that I make: satin bonnets, satin head wraps, scarves, everything else. All the links in the description. I love you all.